Well, good morning, my adorable grade 1 students. Welcome back to our science class. This morning, we are going to study unit 6.2. That is about our ears. How many ears do we have? How many ears do we have, kids? We have 2 ears, right? We have our left ear and right ear. Okay, so everyone has 2 ears, left and right. And we use our ears to listen, right? We can hear sounds with our ears. We can hear the soft sounds, we can hear the loud sound with our 2 ears. So, our ears are so important to us. If we don't have ears, for sure, we cannot listen, we cannot understand, or we cannot communicate with others easily because we don't understand, because we don't hear anything. So ears are very important, okay? So be careful when you are doing something with your ears, be careful. When you try to pick your ears, so be cautious, try to make your ears safe, alright? So please open your book to page 54, Go to our lesson on page 54. We're talking about our ears. So we have 2 ears, left and right, and we use our ear to listen. We can hear the soft sounds and we can also hear the loud sound, right? So hearing is one of our 5 senses. Did you remember the 5 senses? What are they? So hearing, sight, smell, taste, and touch. Those are the 5 senses. And hearing is one of our 5 senses. And we use our ears to listen and to hear, right? Look at the picture right here. So this boy is trying to listen. Maybe the sound is very soft. He cannot hear. That's why he put his hand like that. He's trying to listen. But this girl, she feels that maybe the sound is too loud. She is trying to cover. She is trying to cover her ears because the sound that is close to her, that's too loud for her. So it feels very hard to listen when the sound is very loud. It can damage your ears, right? So there are 2 ways when we are trying to listen to the loud sound. When we are listening to the loud sound, we should cover our ears, okay? Do like that. So when we are listening to our loud sound, we cover our ears, okay? When we cover our ears, we can help our ears. We can listen, right? Loud sound can still go inside our ear. We can listen even we cover it. And we can also help protect our ears that the loud sound will not damage our ear. But when we listen to the soft sound, we do like this, right? Or we do like that. When we are doing like this, our hand is trying to help our ears to, perceive the sound from outside to go inside of our ear so our ear can listen. That's true, right? When we are trying to listen something that is very soft, we're trying to do like that. But when the sound is too loud, we close or we cover our ears like that, or like this, right? And we can still listen because the sound is really loud. Okay, so try to help your ears. When your sound is very soft, we do like that or like that. So we can perceive the sound pretty well. But if the sound that is too loud, we have to cover our ears like this. We can still hear it. We can still hear the sound. And we can also help to cover our ears so we can help our ear from damaging. So our ears will not be damaged when we cover like this, okay? One more, when you are listening to the music by using the headset, do not try to volume up, just volume with the medium level so that our ear will not be damaged, okay? So our ears are very important. We can hear with our 2 ears, right? We can listen to every sound. Everything that makes sound, our ears can perceive easily. Okay, so we are going to our task. After watching this video, we're going to our task 1. Everybody please open your activity book to page 27. open your book to page 27. Okay, so can you draw a picture of a loud sound? Any loud sound, like the car can also make loud sounds. What else? The music can make the loud sound, right? The train, the thunder. Okay, and you should also draw a soft sound. So the sound of the AC, that is quiet, right? The sound of the fan is soft. So we can hear, but it is very soft. So try to draw one of the pictures right here and one of the picture right here too. So color the picture as well, and then take a picture, send it to my personal Telegram. Alright, so I'll see you in the second video clip. Hello class, welcome to our second video clip. In this clip we are going to answer the question, okay? So your task 2 will be about the questions, and there are 4 questions right here. So I'll read these questions for you. How many ears do we have? This is question 1. Question 2, what do we use our ears for? We use our ear for smelling or for hearing or for what? Okay? So just try your best to answer. Question 3, how many senses do we have and what are they? And the last question, what sense that needs ears to listen? So what sense that we need ears? Actually, the smell, we need our nose to smell something, right? How about the sense that need ears? What sense is that? Okay, so don't copy these questions to your notebook. Just write down only your answer in a piece of your note and then take a picture. Send it to my personal Telegram, okay? Once again, you don't have to copy the question. You just write down the answer only. So your task 2 will be given 15 minutes to complete, and then when you are done, just take a picture and send it to my personal Telegram, okay? So I'll see you in the last video clip. Hi there, welcome to our last episode of our series. This is gonna be the last video clip, and we are going to do a quick review, and then we're gonna go to our homework. So right now we're gonna do a quick recap all together. So our lesson today is Unit 6.2, that is about our ears. Once again, how many ears do we have? We have 1 or 2? Definitely we have 2 ears, right? We have the left ear and the right ear. We use our 2 ears to listen or to hear the sound. We can hear the loud sound, we can hear the soft sound. So when the loud sound, when we are in the area that has loud sound, we should cover our ears or put the earmuff so that we can cover our ears. That loud sound will not go to our ears, so that they will not damage our ears. Okay, so when we are listening to the loud sound, you can cover it, okay, so that we will not damage our ears. When we listen to the soft sound, for sure we actually use our hand to cover on the top of our ear like this, so that we can make our ear perceive the sound pretty well. We can make our ear perceive the sound, the soft sound come to our ear, and we can listen to it pretty well. Okay, so be cautious when you are picking your ears. Try your best to protect it or prevent damaging the ears. You know, when you are using the cotton bud to remove some dirt from your ear, to make it, you have to do it properly, okay? Do not make any problem or trouble with the ear, because it might make your ear damage and it can make you deaf as well. Okay, so this is what we have learned in our session, and homework will be posted in the Telegram. After watching this video, please say I am done, and then I will post the homework for you. And when you get done your homework, send it to my personal Telegram, okay? Your homework should be done before the next lesson start. So I will mark and I will give you some feedback on the homework. Okay, so thank you. I hope you guys enjoyed my lesson so far, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye!